Guys, as you can see, this gel here, it really works miracle. I don't know whether you can see. Let me zoom it in for you to see. It really works miracles on your feet. It's really nice. Hello guys, my name is Maxi Brandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get soft baby feet. That is what you're going to do. We're going to wash our feet until you achieve that soft baby feet. Welcome. Subscribe, comment down below what you think. So guys, we're going to use our main ingredient today. We're going to use these Collagen cuticle remover gel. This liquid is gel-like. It's gel-like. So you just mix it in warm water and soak your feet for about 5 minutes. And when you soak your feet, they will be soft and the cuticles will be active and ready to be removed. And of course, we're going to use a soap, a cream of your choice. Personally, I use that. And I have this, but I prefer using this. This is magical. It doesn't waste time, guys. This castone here is magical. So we start by pouring warm water. Okay, I'm currently at the rooftop, so this warm water, just add enough. Then I'll use my Collagen. Actually, this liquid is very affordable. It's very affordable. You add it in water. You add enough so that you can achieve that it can be able to soak your feet well. Just add enough in water. That is warm water, guys. Do not use cold water. Then you soak your feet. This water is really, it's nothing close to warm. My water is hot actually. I'm actually at the rooftop, guys. You see, as you can see, I like sitting here sometimes when I'm doing my things and when I really want to relax. So you soak your feet. Soak your feet for about at least 5 minutes. Let's soak our feet, guys. This process is really simple. This for those people who like taking care of their feet. Yeah, you know, it's not good when you remove your shoes and your feet are just, yeah, you know, yeah, everyone wants that baby soft. And you know, it's not everyone who has soft skin. Some of us have their skin are hard. That doesn't mean we don't take care of our feet, but yeah, this is just extra care of your feet, for your feet. Yeah, let us soak our feet for about 5 minutes. How is your Christmas, guys? As you can see, my Christmas, I'm up here washing my feet. So yeah, you can tell I'm just relaxing, but actually I really wanted to relax this time round. I wanted to just chill and have some peaceful moments and be able to think, you know, yeah, I'm planned for, yeah. Guys, as you can see, this gel here, it really works miracle. I don't know whether you can see. Let me zoom it in for you to see. It really works miracles on your feet. It's really nice, because if you notice, as much as I'm washing my feet now, I do not have a lot of cuticles, just a maintenance, because I've been using it. As you can see, just a little amount left. It's really affordable. You can get it at any beauty point. It's just go tell them to give you this one, the exact one. It has really helped me achieve my feet, my soft baby feet. I've been using it for less than 5 days and I've really achieved. Actually, I could be able to tell the difference with the first day after scrubbing my feet. It's now 5 minutes later, you see, as you can see, okay, if you notice, I don't think, okay, my feet do not have a lot of cuticles because I've been using this cream and the results are amazing, but I still continue using it to at least maintain my feet. So when 5 minutes are over, guys, you just take a little amount of soap. I'm recording using my hand, so that's why I'll just use one hand. Scrub your feet. I told you I use this Castone. I don't know whether you have this, but you can use any other means of scrubbing. Scrubbing is just scrubbing. You approach it in different ways. Just be gentle on your feet. Be gentle. Actually, this Castone works wonders. I don't know. No matter how many scrubbers I get, I still go back to this Castone. I guess it's my African nature that that makes me do that. But yeah, I like it. It works really nice. So we scrub our feet, guys. As you can see, let me scrub my feet really well. Take your time, take your time to scrub your feet. So as you can see, I'm done scrubbing my feet and drying them. Okay, you can even see from there, my feet are really soft. Even before I apply this gel I have over here. Here you can use Vaseline, you can use a remedies. Personally, I'm using a remedies right now. I prefer, okay, both of them are nice. Just apply a generous amount to your feet. You can give your feet a little massage. Look at my feet, guys, look at them. Ay, lovable, right? Who wouldn't want this? Come on, try. Actually the magic to all this, I don't have cuticles. You can see my feet, very soft and tender, baby soft. Actually, even the time you're scrubbing your feet, you can be able to feel the effect. You can feel your feet being soft. Apply a generous amount. I really love my feet. I love taking care of my feet. So yeah, imagine it's that simple and you get that baby soft feet and you can wear your open shoes every time comfortably. Yeah, you can look at my feet. Look at them, guys. Look at them. I wish you could feel them. My feet are really soft. I wish you just try. That liquid is the magic to all this, and it's very affordable. Imagine in Kenya, it's only 300 shillings, and you will use it and use it and use it and use it until you're tired, until you just want to go back and get another one for yourself. Okay, what I mean is it's very durable because you only need a little amount. To my next foot, you can see, look at my feet, guys. Really soft, really cute and lovable. See, from all the sides, from all the angles. Yeah, go try guys, and after you've tried, comment down below and tell me how your feet are. Tell me the before and after. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something from this. Just okay, I'm at the rooftop, guys. The wind is really strong. It's just blowing my hair. Okay, just these small hacks are really good to maintain and take care of yourself. Just go try it out. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, so that we can continue learning together. I find something new, I come, we try together and see what you find. Bye, guys.